Hi, this is William Ramsey. I wanted to make a short video proving that Damien Echols of the West Memphis Three was a member of Aleister Crowley's OTO. In 2007, while Damien Echols was still in jail, an article was published through an OTO chapter titled SK931, an Introduction. SK stands for Safekeeping, a designation for individuals on death row. The two-page document still exists on the OTO website. The article is available online. All you have to do is type in SK931, an introduction, in the OTO, and the article will pop up. What's important about this article are the admissions made therein. The OTO affiliated author states, because of the nature of the crime for which he stands convicted, he has traditionally been very private about his spiritual beliefs. Knowing that the state of Arkansas would be combing over every detail in his book and letters for evidence of his involvement in a satanic cult, he chose to affiliate with the OTO, period. He chose to allow himself outed as a Thelemite within our community at great personal risk. He chose to become registered with the OTO prison ministry and with me as his minister. He's even donating a portion of his personal library to the camp, as that is the only material plain way he has to contribute. She writes of the camp, she's referencing an OTO group within the state of Arkansas. So there you have it. As of 2007, Damien Echols was a member of the OTO, or Ordo Templi Orientis. The Arkansas OTO website references the Echols Library, containing books about Thelema, ceremonial magic, paganism, world religion, psychology, science, and self-improvement. The library is named after our primary literary benefactor, Damien Echols. We can't overstate our gratitude for his incredible generosity, they write. Recently, Damien Echols has described himself as a ceremonial magician who teaches magic, meditation, and tarot. He's also posted material about Aleister Crowley. I was told by someone that SWAG stands for Satan's Wishes Are Granted. Here's Echols emulating Crowley.